Sunsets are proof that no matter what happens, every day can end beautifully and allow for a new perspective. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. I invite you to become relaxed and comfortable. Close the eyes and focus your attention on your breath, observing your breath and allowing it to relax your body. Breathing into the entire body system, and on each exhale, relaxing the entire body from the top of the head all the way down to the toes. Imagine that you are near the ocean just before sunset. Perhaps you're on the beach, in a hammock, or at a lookout. The ocean is very calm. Most of the water looks very smooth, but you can see small ripples where gentle, peaceful waves roll in toward the shore. Take a moment or two here to imagine this scene. Picture all the details of this relaxing place. The sun is low in the sky, and there's a sense of letting go of the day. The air is cool and comfortable and pleasant. The temperature is the perfect temperature for you. A calm and comfortable evening at dusk. Imagine the feel of a slight, gentle breeze on your skin. Imagine the fresh smell of the air, the smell of the water and the sand. Picture in your mind the sound of the water lapping against the shore. The sea is so calm. The waves are very quiet, but you can hear them as they move gently and calmly. You notice some birds returning to trees and quietening down for the night. It's dusk, and this is such a calm, safe, pleasant place. Relaxing here near the gentle ocean. Notice the sun is beginning to set. You can see a large light at the horizon, as if the sun is slowly setting right into the water. See the light disappearing into the horizon as the sun begins to set. The sky is filled with beautiful orange, red, blue and white, giving everything around you a warm glow as this day comes to an end. See the peaceful waves gently lapping at the shore, washing gently onto the sand. The water has a beautiful light pink colour as the sunset reflects onto the water. This is the colour of love and peace. The waves are very calming. They are so peaceful, so rhythmic. Watch the peaceful waves flowing like your breath, in and out, in, out. Continue to observe the rhythm of the peaceful waves flowing with the rhythm of your breath. As you continue to relax, you can enjoy the beautiful sunset as the sun has now set below the horizon. There is a beautiful still calmness now. The breeze has stopped. The gently lapping peaceful waves are slowing to create a calm and peaceful place. Continue to relax for a few moments here as you close down the day, enjoying the peaceful waves and the slowing down of the mind and body. You can continue to enjoy this relaxation and calm and drift off to sleep, or you can return your awareness to your surroundings, opening your eyes and keeping with you the feeling of peace and calm